In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in Smartsheets. Templates are a fast way to start with a ready-made structure, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Whether you're tracking a project, planning events, or managing requests, starting from a solid template can save time and help you follow best practices. Begin on the left sidebar of your Smartsheet screen. Look for the Create option. It's usually near the top of the panel and may appear with a plus icon. Click Create to open the creation options. This is your starting point for anything new: sheets, reports, dashboards, and of course, templates. From the panel that appears, click More Options. This expands beyond the quick picks and opens the full set of choices. Think of it as the detailed menu where Smartsheet keeps the complete library of starting points. Next, look to the top right of the window. You'll see small text that says View All Templates. Click that. It can be easy to miss because it's not a big button, but it's the gateway to the full template gallery. Once you select it, Smartsheet will load a browsable collection of templates designed for different workflows and use cases. Now you can explore the gallery. Scroll through to get a feel for what's available. You'll find options ranging from basic task trackers to more advanced project plans. Take a moment to glance at the names and thumbnail previews so you can match a template to your needs. If a particular layout catches your eye, click the template you want. This opens a larger view where you can confirm what the structure looks like, including columns, example rows, and any included helper sheets. If it fits what you're trying to accomplish, look again to the top right and choose Create from Template. This tells Smartsheet to generate your own editable copy based on that design. There's nothing to install. Your new sheet is created instantly and appears in your workspace or sheets list. After it's created, you're ready to start working. The template you selected provides a foundation you can adapt to your process. You can keep the structure as is or adjust columns, labels, and views later as your needs evolve. If you ever realize a different layout would work better, simply repeat these same steps to browse and create another template. And that's it. You clicked Create on the left sidebar, chose More Options, opened, View All Templates at the top right, browsed and selected a template, and finalized it with Create from Template. With this simple flow, you can launch organized professional sheets in just a few clicks.